Do you want this sticker effect? Congrats, you clicked the right video. Anyway, hello again. I bet you are here for another IBIS Paint X tutorial. It's a simple thing, but I know you clicked this video because you want to learn about how to do it. So let's go to the tutorial. Before that, don't forget to press the like button if you find this video helpful. I will do my best anyway, and I will be more happy if you press the subscribe and notification bell icon. So let's start our class again. First thing first, open your .nan Premium IBIS Paint X. Sorry guys. If you are premium, you can do a lot of things. Lol, buy it if you have money. Cuss I don't. That's why help me buy that by clicking the subs button. After that, make a new canvas with the size you want. The next step is, open your layers menu. If you already have a sticker to edit, just import it into the canvas. If you don't have one, just let me know in the comments . I can help you create a new simple tutorial. So comment guys. This is the sticker I'm gonna edit. In this editing, I change the background by clicking that background things under the layer. I do this to make my object more visible. It's up to you whether you want to follow this or not. Next, activate the ruler. Then, adjust it to the side that you want to add the peeling effect. Go to the selection layer, and then use your brush. Just adjust it until you feel satisfied, haha. After that, go to the main layer. Just duplicate it, and then tap your main layer again. Switch to the eraser, and simply erase. Don't worry, your sticker will be safe, since it's still selected. Go back to the selection layer, and deselect it. And don't forget to disable your rulers, so you don't always straight eye. Let's continue. Go to the layer you just duplicated. Just rotate it to match your main layer or your sticker. It will look like this. Now enable Alpha Lock. This is very important. Just underline it, otherwise, it will look like this and you'll panic. If the Alpha Lock is secure, just go straight to the effect. Sorry, I forgot where it was because I just changed my phone's language. Lol, but just go to Draw and select Parallel Gradation. The leftmost one, or the one next to Original. I used the free template from IBIS Paint, the silver black one, but I replaced the gray with white. But just adjust it until it looks good. To your eye, don't forget to adjust the curl direction. Usually, the inside is darker. Once you feel okay with the position then return to the effects. Go to Style, then select Drop Shadow to add the curl effect. I use this setting. Just adjust it according to the direction you want. The final step is merge the two layers, and you'll have the peeling sticker effect that you want. Congrats! You have unlocked a new skill. Good luck with your edit, y'all. You can export the sticker transparently, and then import it into another canvas or project you are working on. Like this. Look at those details. Damn. Thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it helps. See ya.